Yes, so country people, Middlesbrough 0, Chelsea 2, and with all the katakata where they happen around Chelsea, with all of the sanction and the club ownership wasting the hang for balance. Chelsea don't qualify for the FA Cup semi-final, and we get one very obongelistic Chelsea fan, Oga AkaGod, make can tell us how in see the game. Oga AkaGod, impressive performance from Chelsea today. Chelsea don't cross to the next stage of the FA Cup when be like say Chelsea don't near to the possibility to win one more trophy for inside this season. Now how you see Chelsea performance today, Oga AkaGod?
Good performance, Um, people not supposed to the bother because of this pressure when Chelsea dey into this problem when they happen for the team now. Based on
Mm.
the issue we'll get because lion na lion. They fear no matter how jungle mature reach, he go still say na lion he be.
No be lie.
So yeah, people supposed know say they're not supposed to expect say right now we're supposed to flop. No, 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 because to be European champions not be day job now, not be over Jews. Not be so we'll be only European champion. We'll be still the best team in the world. So any match we'll give now from now to the end of the season, we'll give our best and winning. I don't see Chelsea losing so easily again.
All right, now more talk about one person performance for the game. Romelu Lukaku. A lot of people they complain say he know the score goal as a number nine, Chelsea number nine. Some people don't talk about that. Chelsea number nine course and plenty story don't come around this player. Now, how you see Romelu Lukaku performance for today game?
Mm, Today, he really puts in work. A work rate today at least he increased today, unlike before. You know, like I always talk, Lukaku they stand too much. They expect passes, which they get. Most time when they make run, they deliver the ball. You know, and most time when they give on the ball, they make the run. So, but today at least the work rate today, he up his game today. So at least he tried today. But we never see the Inter Milan Lukaku what we sign. We are still disappointed. Even me, I did disappointed because he gets some movements when Lukaku supposed to be like as a striker. If the drop ball give you midfielder drop ball give you, you drop him again, move. They make those move. You see him today here and the connection when he has ZH create today, but so many times when ZH give him ball to make move, go drop the ball back, making him go front. He go want to hold the ball. And it's not a skillful player. Well, today he still give the best though. But above all, for the technically about the game, say Kai Havertz is better. If say did the game before, if for create more chance if Kai Havertz did the game. Well,
Mm.
but we can say Lukaku try, sha. Try.
All right, now how you see this information when Thomas Tuchel did start the game? Some people they complain say Thomas
No, no, no,
Tuchel to
no, no,
they
no.
play
I don't
to
like the
they play
formation.
three defense. So how you see the one where you start today? Four at the
I
back
don't
like
like the
okay.
formation. I don't like the formation. The formation they more of like defensive. You know, if you watch Loftus-Cheek, based on that the formation make him not to show himself today. He do it thing. If you watch him, he exercise himself. Some people now they complain say not do it best. No, now the formation make him they play like that. The formation really if you watch the game, Chelsea not control the midfield. Chelsea not control with the full 90 minutes will not control the midfield. Middlesbrough they press forward too much for that midfield. They press hard for that midfield. So we not control that midfield. Most of our goals, as the goals take come, I just foot walk from back. We'll take make run. Now we take score. Obviously we control the midfield. So the formation not really help. Maybe he get plans, sure, but I not really buy the formation. Not really bring out our best in playing the game.
All right now, God. But how you see Hakim Ziyech performance today? Because one player when he come Chelsea, he show glimpse of that brilliance for some period. We're not going to see more of that Hakim Ziyech what we see for Ajax. But it be like say this season it dey show us more of that Hakim Ziyech, the magician, when we dey see for Ajax. How you see Hakim Ziyech performance and that goal when he score for today match?
Today, I did very, very proud to watch Hakim Ziyech put up this formation performance again. The thing really, it really sweets me. He get what we seek from Hakim Ziyech. Not be really the goal, and the creativity where they come from. If you watch most times when Chelsea they make like counter move, once he don't cut a pass, you know, say he always give correct, accurate pass. Now true pass he give. And today he really prove him. And it be like say Middlesbrough not really watch and say now in the be the key movement for the team for that attack today. So now make the first goal come and they score the second goal. So they're not really quick capture say the attack when just they push forward na through Hakim Ziyech. So he really give it best today.
All right, I'll be like real quick. May we do the player rating. You rate all the players on a scale of 1 to 10. Make we start with Romelu Lukaku. Now, wait till you go rate Lukaku performance for this game.
I give him 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. What about Christian Pulisic?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Mr. Mount,
6.
Hakim Ziyech, what do you go rate down?
8.
Okay. Ruben Loftus-Cheek and Mateo Kovacic, what do you go rate them?
Kovacic 8. Loftus-Cheek 7.
Okay. Malangsa, Antonio Rudiger, now what do you go rate 2 of them?
Rudiger 8. Sa 5. Movement for front, they're very, very poor.
Okay. What about Thiago Silva and Cesar Azpilicueta?
Both of them 10 over 10. I didn't control the game.
What do you give them?
10 over 10. I didn't control the game. Thiago Silva is the man of the match, and I'm the man of the match. But I'll give both
your man of the match.
10 over 10.
Impressive one. What about Edward Mendy?
Mendy, confirm 10. He saved us today for this match. So many good saves. But it's very dangerous to bring goals for the game.
Okay, now I'm going to enter the substitute now. Timo Werner, what do you go rate down?
I did disappointed to watch that guy each time. I didn't want to professional. I like him because he make runs, but they play like professional. Like who they improve. So I could just give him 4.
Okay, now what about N'Golo Kante?
Who?
N'Golo Kante.
N'Golo Kante 7.
7, okay. Kennedy, Uncle.
Kennedy. I never even see him for the match, Seth. He be like, I never see him for the match. He like touch ball. I know they give him any rating, because I know that he like touch ball.
All right, now what about Avivio? I don't say him and Kennedy. They enter late for the game.
They are like not touch ball. Those ones they don't know what they can do. But I believe
maybe
the game not today in their body today.
All right, now, but make I ask you about Thomas Tuchel. So far, with all this kata where they happen around the club, we don't see how calm this man they showing leadership quality. Say in they get it for grand. Say nothing they happen. Say no shaking. In they reassure the fans. They ginger the players, and we they see say with all this kata where they happen around the club, the players no be like people were really they much affected because of the way Thomas Tuchel they handle the team from what we see in terms of their performance. And every time when he face the media, the way Thomas Tuchel they talk. Now, what do you go rate Thomas Tuchel for this game, and how you go rate how Thomas Tuchel don't handle these old kata where they happen around Chelsea in the last couple of weeks? How you go rate Thomas Tuchel on a scale of 1 to 10?
Our gaffer na master planner, na true leader. Yeah. The way the man say they handle this situation where they happen now, not be all could you handle them. He proves say him when they get consider him the FIFA best coach, he really deserve him. The man correct from hell to toe. The way Chelsea can't even improve for this situation when this situation went hard. Now we can't even improve. Can't go back to form. So I really give the man good credit because the man there on the next level. And I believe say with this spirit when he keep up, we go do well for Champions League. Yes. So I rate him so much. I give him 10 over 10.
So you go rate him 10 over 10.
Yes.
Nice one, Oga AkaGod. Before I go let you go, Oga AkaGod, Chelsea now don't reach the semi-final of the FA Cup. Chelsea did the quarterfinals of the UEFA Champions League. We know say Chelsea lose the Carabao Cup final to Liverpool, but for the Premier League, Chelsea not really doing in the contention. We could leave that one for Liverpool and Man City. These two competitions now, Chelsea did close. Now, which one of them you think Chelsea go win? I be you think Chelsea go win the both of them?
I tell you one thing from the beginning of the season. I tell you say I not see Chelsea to win the league. If you go check our videos, I tell you say I not see Chelsea to win the league. I tell you say Champions League na back to back.
Champions League
back to back. Confirm.
So for you, back to back Champions League for Chelsea, make everybody come on out. Make them come on body.
Back to back. No
All right.
fit
What about
us
the
again.
FA Cup? What about the FA Cup? This competition which Chelsea played today now.
Of course,
How you see am?
Chelsea is going to the final. Chelsea go reach final. Of course, we will reach final. So now the final go decide. But I never did sure of the FA Cup finals. But I know say Champions League are back to back.
All right, now, AkaGod, thank you for your time. As you give us your time to talk about this Ogbonge performance which Chelsea performed today, and we hope say this win which Chelsea win today, you go use them and enjoy the rest of your weekend. AkaGod, thank you for your time. You so much.
Thank you very much. I just happy. You know, as I can't shine. Now the match they give me joy.